Toews, the ball with a slap shot. Score!
To me, it's just another step. I'm excited for our team and everything we've accomplished. I'm proud of it, but that's not the end goal. Like, we still have work to do. That's my approach. Like, we'll breathe when it's over.
Right in center, Mike Draisaitl. Yellow photo hit by Landeskog. There's Benson out of the box. They score! Logan O'Connor inserted.
We're excited. You know, to be the best, you got to beat the best. And these guys back-to-back Stanley Cup champions. So we're excited. It'll be a good matchup.
He's flying into the zone. Nathan MacKinnon to drive, and he scores! Heavy forecheck here. Shot from Kadri, and it's a hat trick for Nazem Kadri. Shot saved by Francouz. That was a beauty.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. 15 years in the league, and then I saw that puck go in. I was just so happy that it went in and we advanced, and now we get a chance to play for the cup that every kid dreams about, to have that opportunity. So excited.
Block back to Toews, and he scores. Cale Makar wins it in overtime. Avs control, held out for Makar. Shot stop, rebound, Lehkonen scores. The Colorado Avalanche are headed to the Stanley Cup Final.